Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is the fifth part of the beginner to advanced WordPress course. Okay, now I'm gonna be showing you guys really easy how to create pages in WordPress. Okay, now let's say we click on pages and the dashboard right here. Okay, right now we have a draft page that is created by WordPress by default. Yep, but you may need some other things. For example, when you may require a home page. Okay, now let's say no, I don't need this at all, so I'll just close this. Okay, so this is how we create a page. So you just click home. Okay, and immediately the visibility settings where you can make it public, private, but in most cases it's gonna be public. Okay, you can publish it immediately or in the near future whenever you want to publish the page. And the template, we use a default template. Okay, so this is all you need to create a page. Okay, so you're gonna click publish. Okay, and you can view this page. For example, if I open it up here in a new tab, and it's gonna look like this. It's gonna be empty, but we have a footer here. Yeah, but it's gonna be empty. Okay, and let's say you want to create another page. To create another page, you may just need to create new page right here. Okay, then maybe if you want to call this maybe an about us. All right, you can publish that still. That's how easy it is to create pages in WordPress. Okay, then you can click on a new page. Maybe you want to create a contact us page. Come on, I don't need this. Oh god, this WordPress file. Maybe just a contact us. Yeah, I think contact us page. All right, you click publish and publish it once again. Now guys, if you want to check out the pages that you've created, oh, this looks bad, I'm going to remove that and click update. So if you want to check out the pages that you've created, all you have to do is click on this WordPress icon and it will lead you back to the pages that you've created. Okay, now right now someone may be asking, now I've created this page, but if I view it, it is blank, but I would like to add some content to it. How do I do that? Okay guys, now I'm gonna explain something really simple here. To do that, you can do it the ordinary way, which really sucks. If I'm going to show you guys how that works, I never really use it. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the way to develop or create nice looking professional pages. Yeah, because what we can do, or what we need to do, is to come under plugins. Okay, click on add new and click on search for Elementor here, Elementor. And what this is, once you click on install, it's gonna help us create that page, add a few images, add a few videos, and play around with it. Okay, so now once you click on Elementor, it's gonna take you through this demo that I always want to skip every time because I am working on hundreds and hundreds of websites. I don't need to go through this every time that I am installing Elementor. So I just click skip, and skip. Okay, so now it has taken me here and I don't know where I am, but I need to return to my WordPress admin dashboard. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all these from here. You know what I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to sign in again back to my dashboard. Okay, or if you don't want to do that, be like, this is too complex. Yeah, I don't want to tinker with links. Okay, so let me close this. So I've zoomed out and close that. Then what I can do, if I'm here, I'll just click exit. Yeah, Then I'll click apply and I'll say leave because I don't know where it has led me. Okay, so I'll come back to the pages. So we have the home. So maybe I'll delete this that is carried by default. Yeah, so just click on trash. All right, it's gone. Now let's say we want to edit our home page. So we can click edit. Okay, then while we are here, what we can do is we've installed Elementor. Remember guys, this wasn't here. Yeah, so we can click edit with Elementor. So it's going to open up an editor where you can start dragging and dropping our awesome content. Okay, now I think I'm going to make a very simple basic Elementor tutorial for you guys just in the near future to just show you guys how everything works, how easy it is. Okay, but now there are things that I don't like on this page. Okay, let me zoom out a little. All right, I'm gonna close this. Yeah, so I'm saying home right here. Yeah, and I don't want that displayed. So what can I do about that? One thing that I can do is to come to settings right here. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hide the title. Okay, and I click update. All right, it's still not going, but then I'm gonna change the layout to Elementor full width, and I'll click apply. Guys, now I want you guys to mind what this is and what's going on here, because now remember this was our tagline and this is our title. Okay, but what I need to do now is to just show you guys a sneak peek of Elementor, what it can do. Okay, now first let me just put an image right here. So if I'm to click on this plus icon and I click one of these boxes, yeah, they're called containers, and when you hover over them it shows direction column, direction row, and what is it saying? It's saying absolutely nothing. Okay, but we can choose this where the arrow is facing down, and once we add that, probably I want to add an image. So to add an image, what do? I click on this plus icon, and once I click on the plus icon, there's an image widget right here. There's a heading widget, there's a text editor. Maybe I want to add a video, maybe I want to add a button, maybe I want to add a spacer, maybe I want to add a map even. Okay, but let's just add an image for now. Do I like this? No, I don't think I do, but maybe it will do. All right, no, all right, let me just add an image. So I can, on the left here, okay, I can click on choose image, and maybe this is the image I want to add, but is in, yeah, let me just add that, and it is really small. Okay, but it will do the job just fine. I can increase its size, sort of. Yeah, so guys, take note that every time you have added something, for example an image or a text editor here, or any widget that you would have gotten from the left panel, for example, you'd have content, a tab for content, you'd have a tab for the style, where you can adjust stuff like the width. Yeah, you can adjust stuff like the height. I don't like to play around with the height. Yeah, but you guys get what's going on. And you have the advanced tab. So right now I've only tinkered with the width, but maybe I want to add something. Yeah, so let's click on this menu icon. Let's drag this heading widget and put it under here. Then maybe we say this is my home page. Okay, I've created that, and we can center it. Okay, now we've created that, and I've told people that this is my home page, and it's looking really nice. And let's say I want to add a picture of me and a video of maybe something I'm interested in. Yeah, I will probably click on this plus icon. Okay, now guys, notice maybe I want to add a picture of me to the side and a video on the right. Probably I'll click on these two boxes. So on the left, maybe is where I want a picture of me. Cool. And once I've added this, maybe I can click choose image. And is there really a picture of me? No. Let's select the shoes. Something like this. Yeah, I think this makes sense now. All right. But so on the right, maybe let's say, okay, we've added some text. We've added an image. We've added also another image. Maybe we can add a video. So let's click on this plus icon and try to add a video. So maybe let me get some of my tutorials. Yeah. So let me say YouTube and maybe I'll search for WordPress tutorial by Enoch, something like that. All right, so maybe I'll copy this. So I'll copy the link address, and here on YouTube I'll just paste in my video and it will show up on my website. All right, so now this is my website. Okay, everything looks nice. Okay, but I like this here because it really looks horrible. And this image right here, if I click on it, maybe I want to adjust its width to cover close to 70, 90 something %. All right, so maybe let's just make it 100. Yeah, probably it would make sense that way. I wanted it to match these right here, but it's not matching them. So maybe I'll do 98. Should be good at 98. Yeah. So I just wanted to align these in a straight line. Yeah. So you guys now see how everything is now coming together. But I'll just click on update. Okay. So to view your page, how do you view the page? There's an icon right here to preview the changes. All right. So that's how our page is looking. Guys, don't mind about this. We are gonna deal with it later on. But we've created a web page. Okay. We've created a web page. Okay. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Hover over this and click on dashboard. Let's go to our pages. And this is our home page that we've edited with Element. You can still right click on it and view it. All right. And it's the same page that we are having. Okay. Now, I'll show you guys how to add a page. And if you want to delete a page, maybe you can just click on trash. For example, this. You can click on trash and boom, it's gone. Now, in case you deleted it, there's a trash folder right here where you can recover them. Yeah, so you can restore or delete them permanently. Yeah, so now that's all that I've had for you as regards creating new pages and editing them and making some minor changes. In the near future there, I'm going to show you guys how to create a very awesome e-commerce store. Okay, now let's get moving on to the next part where we're going to be talking about themes, how important they are, and also menus. Because as you guys realized, this doesn't look nice. We need a menu for our e-commerce store. Okay, now the work is going to get a little bit more serious, and if you guys want to learn about this exciting stuff, just drop a comment or leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications, because every time I release a tutorial, you're going to receive a notification. You're going to watch that, you're going to come and practice it, and you'll get better. Okay, now that's all I've had for you, and catch you on the next one. Okay.